You are the icing on my cake. You are.
Hello everyone, so today I am going on a family trip. Stop! My family. My lovely family. We're way in the back. Say hi! Hi! How are you? 안녕! I will vlog again. I'll probably be vlogging throughout the whole trip because the trip is 4 days. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I tried putting on makeup in the car, but I kind of failed because the car is moving way too much because the road is way too bumpy. We're really not doing anything in the car right now. We're just trying to put that blanket on the window so that the sun doesn't come in. So we're at the Hoover Dam right now. My dad is explaining what it is to my grandparents. Wow. It's very beautiful, but I can't really capture it right now at the moment. We're in Arizona? Oh wow. We are at the Hoover Dam.
요것만 지나가잖아. 그럼 저쪽이 그냥 바다야, 바다. 엄청 큰 바다. 엄청 넓잖아요. 바다요.
Wow, it's so pretty, but it's freaking cold right now. I'm really cold right now. My lion hair is coming out again. Sally, look here. Okay, she doesn't have any makeup on. She doesn't want to show. So pretty, huh? It's really dark. You can't even see, but we're in Vegas now. Vegas.
다 오신 거야? 야, 너 이거는 아무
So we're going out right now. We're just gonna go walking. This is my sister. Hi. We're in the streets of Vegas. So I'll just be vlogging. I don't know what to vlog, but hi, oh my god, you have to watch this. There's a person like flying. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my god! Crazy. Hi, mommy. This is my grandmother, my beautiful grandmother. Super cold right now. I should have brought my other camera. My camera's way too heavy. Hi Yuna, what are you doing? 뭐예요? 게임이에요. 게임이에요? 무슨 게임이에요? 아, 예배 드렸지요. 예배 드렸죠. 함께 드릴까? 빠라라라. Which we're not going to go in, but it says, okay, does it show? It says, over 300 pounds eats free. So if we were over, oh, let's go, but if we were over 350 pounds, we would eat free, so let's gain some weight. I'm just kidding. So cold. Merry Christmas Eve! Merry Christmas! Gotta cross the street. So I don't know. I think we're gonna be walking around just watching that fire show that's going on right now. And I can't help it. It's so cold.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are.